Hey guys, so this is an analysis I did on CHF right yesterday. You can see the liquidity. You can see our supply and I say supply. You can see our demand. Sorry, see that price mitigated demand. It went up, and we're waiting for price to come into our demand before going up again. All right, so this is how the analysis played out. This is how it played out, guys. This is how it played out. This is how it played out. This was a sniper entry. This was a sniper entry. But sadly, I could not get in. I could not get in because of my my broker. So my broker is actually, okay, this type of sniper entry, you will need a zero spread account, right? For this type of entry to pick you, because if you are using a standard account, price has to go deep before it triggers because of the spread. The spread is a little bit wide, so all the two lines have to enter. So here I saw price coming down, but only one line enter and I could not get triggered. So sometimes sniper entry just frustrates you. So that is it, guys. Now, why did we take this trade? Right, why did we take this trade? Why did I take this trade? That's what you'll be asking. Now, when you come to your chart first, let's remove all these things, all this stuff. When you come to a chart like this, right? When you come to a chart like this, if I did not have the premium trading view, I would have rewind price back, right? So I would have rewinded price back to this place. So let me show you guys where was price when I actually analyze this, right? So first thing, because there's this trade that I did a video on how I actually trade, because I'm trying to focus on just two pairs, CHF and gold. Now you can see this trade here. Let me know. I hit SL on this trade here. I was actually looking to sell, right? Because why was I looking to sell? Let me show you guys why I was looking to sell. You can see price came into this supply. Now what happened? It came here, came down, broke minor structures and tapped into the supply, right? Now this is another flow, right? So it breaks this structure. You can see this. So I was waiting for price, and there's an imbalance here. I was waiting for price to tap. Now price tapped in this place, reacted a bit. You can see this small reaction. I was in profit, but then I don't know if it was news. I don't know, something came out and the price just smashed my SL and came here before dumping hard. Now that aside, so this is what we're looking at. First thing is to identify the previous trend. You don't need to look back. You need to look at where you are now. What's price doing now? Understand? What is price doing now? So that is it. So you go to your, because I do top down analysis. Now we can see, even I feel like that short, why I hit it on that short, because I was countering trend. Because why? We're not blind. You can see that price is on a strong uptrend, right? Like you can see the momentum, the impulsive moves, the imbalances. So I won't feel like that short was just a retracement. So once you confirm that, okay, we're in uptrend, now we can see that, okay, price is actually breaking highs. It's making higher highs. What will you do? The first thing I look out for was order flow. Have price mitigated any demand before it went up? I saw that, okay, price mitigated this demand and went up. So I was waiting for price. Now I got my entry on the 5 minutes. All right. So I saw this indecision candle, this doji candle, right? and that's what I marked. So I went to the 15 minutes. So after I mark that candle, first thing, so that okay, if price is not up, let me find my zone. First thing, you find your zone, right? Then look out for a break of structure. All right. So the first thing is actually looking out for break of structure. If price, for me, if price is not breaking higher highs, if price is not breaking highs or lows, I'm not getting in that trade. If price just, let's say price just came here. Let's see, price just came here. Price just came here and started. Let's see, risk I'll be looking at anything. Yeah, I will not be looking to even take any trade. I was okay. The price, let me leave price to do what he wants. Before I see what I need to see, what I want to see. I need the market to show me what I want to see. I don't want to force it, right? So after price validated this, I just mark it out. Right, just mark it out. Now this is a break of structure. Let me not waste my time writing. This is a break of structure, right? So it's a valid break of structure. Now this is an order flow, right? Nice. Now what can we see? Can see inducement. This is an inducement. Some people will be looking to enter out of this place. I tell you, some people will be looking to enter out of this place. Right? Now we can see that. Let's look very closely. When price came to this zone, I was looking at, I was saying, this price is not going to pump on this zone. Price came here. Now what price just wicked, and you can see it rejected. It rejected, then it made this bullish candle and moved to this high. Then price came again, it rejected and got here. Before price finally broke, right? Came to our own. That's the purpose of inducement, right? It adds more confluence to our trade, right? So now we can see that our order block or our demand zone took our liquidity, so even made it more valid. It made our order block or demand zone more valid, right? Because what, it took our liquidity. So these are the little things you look out for. It took our liquidity, right? You can see an inducement here, and all these things are liquidity for retail traders, right? All these stuff are liquidity. Because let me explain. Price came here. See trend line liquidity. Price bounced. It came back. It bounced up, right? It came back again. It reacted a bit. You can see small reaction before it broke and came to our inducement. So all these things are little things that we have to keep note of. You understand? So that is it. So when you saw this type of things, you don't think twice before entering a trade. You understand? No matter the fear, no matter the doubt, as far as you see all these things, and you can see the impossible. So when you're done, just put your tool, and you can see that always make sure your SA is below your zone a bit, because price can just weak. If your SA is too close to your zone, price can weak it and go. Now this, I was actually targeting, I don't know if it was this high again or this high, right? So now this is a cool 1 to 5. So that is it. You can see that price played out perfectly. Once you spot your break of structure, once you spot what price is actually doing, once you spot the current trend, right? Break down to to your time frame that you trade, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll advise 15 minutes above. I don't advise people trading on the 5 minutes, 3 minutes, but it's cool though. But for me, I prefer 15 minutes above. So after knowing your trend, is it a bullish trend or the ones go down to the time frame you trade off. Look at a break of, find if price is invalidating highs or lows. Once you know, okay, price is invalidating highs, then you find a zone, a demand zone. Price is invalidating lows, you find a supply zone. And look out for these little details. If your zone took out liquidity builds above or below your zone, depending on whether you're shorting or longing. But then when you find all this type of confluence, right? When you find all this type of confluence, then you enter your trade, right? Don't think twice, just enter your trade and relax. Now, I was not triggered, right? Because I was not using a zero spread. Now, this trade got triggered around 10:15 a.m. and actually smashed TP around 1:30, right? Around 1:30. You can see just a small, not up to 4 hours, right? Not up to 4 hours. So that is it, guys.